Hello, this is Kenneth Wong for DE Magazine. Welcome to another episode of DE Video News Roundup. Glad to have you along. This year, the familiar SOLIDWORKS World Conference returns, but under a different brand as 3D Experience World. This is the brand more closely associated with the parent company, Dassault Systemes, rather than the subsidiary SOLIDWORKS. So many loyal SOLIDWORKS users may be looking for assurance that the company is still committed to the ongoing development of the mainstream CAD software, SOLIDWORKS. Here is Gianpaolo Bassi, CEO of SOLIDWORKS.
100% designed with SOLIDWORKS. 100% an amazing experience. To be human is to dream, but to be human is also to work very hard to make dreams come true. This is what we do. This is why we are here. And we have been turning dreams into reality for many years. But one question that we want to answer here at World is how do the things that we create truly reflect and improve our lives? How our things improve human life and human experience? Very important question to answer. So welcome to 3D Experience World, a new and expanded and truly authentic SOLIDWORKS experience. Welcome to all our SOLIDWORKS community. Welcome to Delmia Works for the first time part of our event. Welcome to Enovia. Welcome to Simulia. We are all part of the Works community, because we are adding the superpowers of the Dassault Systems brands to the SOLIDWORKS DNA.
You know what? In the last 25 years, I have seen you growing this community, this vibrant community, to create things never done before. Congratulations for that. You are powered by SOLIDWORKS. Congratulations for everything you do every day. It's always inspiring to come together and discover not only the value that you bring, as Gianpaolo said, to people, to make things more affordable for more people, more sustainable. We have put a lot of thought observing this vibrant community with Gianpaolo and team and thinking about what can we do with you next? How can we prepare your future so you will be empowered to realize bigger dreams? This is about the future, and this is about SOLIDWORKS World becoming 3D Experience World. In one way, you have moved from flat drawings to 3D. We want to give you the possibilities to move from 3D to life experiences, to virtual twin experiences, to really transform the way you do your business.
One of the highlights is the introduction of the Magic Wheelchair, a nonprofit that brings mobility to children with spinal muscular atrophy. This project is supported under 3D Experience Labs and involves many Dassault and SOLIDWORKS employees.
We're so proud to be able to share with you the story of the Magic Wheelchair experience. In fact, I'm going to start with Christine, and if you could maybe share with us what Magic Wheelchair is and what it means to be involved in such a project.
So Magic Wheelchair is a nonprofit organization originally founded in Oregon, and we build epic costumes for kids in wheelchairs at no cost to families. But what we deliver goes beyond just one wheelchair costume. We are taking a seemingly simple mission and bringing together unlikely communities and builders. We're raising awareness for rare diseases. And my favorite part is we are giving children the experience to have epic inclusion. Now what that means is more than just being a part of the fun. It means letting kids with disabilities have their ideas and their voices heard, seen and heard, and validated for the right reasons, bringing their imaginations to life. And I can tell you from firsthand experience, when a young person with a disability is heard and validated and respected, they can go pretty far in life. Maybe even be an executive director of a large charity.
Absolutely.
Wow. Shenglu.
We will have a roundup of the show on our site soon, so please look for it on Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com. This week, Altium released a cloud-hosted 3D PCB design viewer, the Altium A365 as it is called. No installation is necessary. You can drop your design files into the viewer and off you go. The viewer gives you various different views: 2D schematics, the PCB board layout, 3D view, and the bill of materials or BOM view. Selecting an object or an item in any of the view, also select the same object in other views. So if you want to select a transistor in one view, then turn to 3D view. You will find that the same transistor is already selected and zoomed in. If you turn to the BOM view, you'll also be able to see where it's sourced. You can embed a particular view like you might a YouTube video by copying and pasting the code into the HTML page. This is expected to help collaboration between mechanical designers and PCB designers exchange 3D information better to avoid assembly collisions that might occur if each work in isolation. The supported files are currently limited to Altium Design and Autodesk Eagle software files. KiCad and other formats are coming soon, according to the company. AMD is releasing its Radeon Pro W5500 GPU, tuned for multitasking with VR-ready capabilities. The card has a PCIe 4.0 connection, which offers significantly faster data transfer rate. AMD plans to pitch the new W5500 GPU as a rival to NVIDIA's Quadro P2200. The AMD GPU is certified for AutoCAD and says SolidWorks to name but a few. It supports SolidWorks Visualize, the rendering application inside the CAD program. It has wireless VR support for HTC Vive Focus. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $399. Rival NVIDIA Quadro P2200 is listed for $450 on Dell's website. That's all the news for this week. Thanks for watching. For more news, follow us on Twitter at DEEditor, subscribe to our YouTube channel called DE Streaming, and check out digitalengineering247.com. I'm Kenneth Wong, signing off.